A lot of people are talking about this one, a breast cancer vaccine being tested right now. So how does it work? Let's connect the dots. First, why people are excited about this vaccine. Researchers with the Mayo Clinic say it appears to be working and with very few side effects. The vaccine is just for triple-negative breast cancer, which means it can't be treated with some of the most common drugs used to fight breast cancer, and it's more likely to come back. This vaccine is for someone who's already been diagnosed and gotten rid of the tumor. The vaccine then reduces the risk the cancer will return, working just like other common vaccines you get for the measles or flu. Of course, we have to wait for the clinical trial to be finished before we get a final answer. Connecting the dots, Stephanie Whitfield, KHOU 11 News.